Okay guys, today we have a 2012 Chevy Impala. I'm going to be replacing the radiator on it. So first you want to take off that strut mount, the airbox cleaner, and that little support bracket. The airbox cleaner was popped in underneath there as shown. There are two 10mm bolts for the radiator support brackets, plus one more bracket in between shown off video. Two 10mm bolts for the fan assembly. Now you want to remove all the clips on the fan assembly, as well as the upper radiator hose and the battery cables out the way. Now you want to remove the E-clips for the transmission cooler lines and the lower radiator hose. There is a 10mm bolt holding the bracket right there. Now you want to remove this trim so you can get your hands underneath the condenser to remove it from the radiator brackets. Unfortunately, the camera died, but I ended up using my phone. So in order to get that radiator out of there, you just gotta lean it forward and just slide it out. So here I'm just expecting the radiator. You just always want to look, make sure there's no damage, and all the hose fittings and transmission cooler lines are all there. Here you want to make sure to clean and grease up the transmission oil cooler lines so there is no damage to the seals. And just slide everything back in place. Make sure you have all the tabs slid in the brackets where they're supposed to be for the fan assembly and the condenser back there. So now that everything is put back together, you want to top off the coolant and pressurize up to spec. Make sure it holds, indicating no leaks. I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. I just started. I've never edited videos before or anything like that, so it's gonna be a rough start, but bear with me, guys. I will get better and improve. I will be posting more, so stay tuned.